So on the w140 I've recently purchased, the alloy wheels are quite tidy, but I really want this car to be as top spec as possible. Now, when taking off the alloy wheels to get refurbished, using these protected wheel nut attachments of various brands are a nice way of doing it. Maybe not as bad for scratching up the side of cars where the nuts are inserted into the alloy, but on older Mercs with like the bunts, it was easy to scratch the surface, so I think they're a good idea. So there's the 17mm wheel nuts off the 140, and we start to take these things off. It had nice new Michelins on it, put on by the previous owner. And the main dilemma about refinishing these wheels, these 140s, the V8s came with a different polished surface. It is not diamond cut. It's a unique finish, and the alloy wheel refinishing guy noted he's going to have trouble matching that. So I did and ah about this, but ultimately the surfaces weren't as nice as I would have liked. So I left it with him and said, listen, just put on as good as you can get, because all I could see was people coming up with suggestions of what they said was brilliant silver, titanium silver, or sterling silver. I left it with the alloy wheel refurbished guy, and you'll see in a sec. So as I was asking my elderly father to take the wheels up to the shop, I thought I'd give them a clean up first, so they weren't grubbying up his car, and just getting off all the brake dust off the surfaces here. So you can see they're actually, they actually look reasonably nice, but I don't know, I'm probably getting a bit too particular about some things. So off to the, you can see the original tyre on that one, spare tyre, the old Continental. So in the back of the 211 wagon, and then getting my dad to drive him up to the shop. So while the wheel nuts are off, just gave him a quick coat of silver paint. I did cover the plastic surface so not to get paint on that, but just painting around there. I know it's probably going to come off after a few torquings. So here are the refinished wheels going back on. They look excellent. Moderately close to the original colour, but not the same as the original colour. I don't know for right or wrong, but I'm also one for originality, but I do like these wheel caps. I just think they offset a little bit better. So on go the wreath caps, which look a little bit nicer than the grey ones, which probably wouldn't match in colour anyway. So of note, I had actually cleaned up my wheel arches at this point, which I'll put to a separate video on how I did that. And here's our wheels all back on. Looking nice and tidy. Now the wheel nuts actually get up to 150 Newton meters. It's not the standard 100 Newton meters of cars, of MBs of old. So I was surprised to see it's actually 150 Newton meters. So the old Continental spare tyre wasn't really safe. It wasn't in great condition either. So I bought a new matching Michelin tyre to pop on. You can see the alloy wheel number there. And then you'll see the dimensions of the alloy wheel, and the spare wheel's been put back in the boot. Overall, I'm very happy with the outcome. Although not matching exactly, I still think it's an improvement on where it was at.